Hi there, and welcome back to the video. In the last video, we created game, the core logic. In this video, we will show the game overview when the game ends. We define how the game ends in the data class. We can determine whether the game ends on every correct tap from the player. Then, we show the game over screen and wait for the player to click on the restart button to start over. In the game data, we marked a to-do in the isGameWin method. Now we implement the method by returning if current number is larger than the amount of box. That means the player has count all the boxes. On the stage, now our logic depends on the total amount of boxes. We pass the amount of box when generating them. In the game class, we only init the game in the constructor. We have prepared the game over graphics. It is linked as Game Overview and exported in lib from Adobe Animate to the Create.js code in the game class. Inside the click handler, we call the game data to check if the player wins. Then we create an instance of the game overview and add it to the stage. The Create.js library will display it on screen. By the way, in case you missed the setup that enabled Create.js touch feature, this click event also handles the tapping event in touchscreen, because we have enabled it in the game constructor. When we test the game in browser, we should see the game runs. In order to make the debugging easier, we change the amount of boxes to 3. Let's click on the box 1, 2, 3, and the game overview shows. We click on Restart, see it responds to the player. But there is nothing happened after clicking on it because we haven't handled the restart game logic, which we will do that in the next section. After all the tests, we may change back the amount of boxes to a larger number, such as 20, to make the game more fun. In this section, we have created the core game logic of the count game. We added background and many numbered boxes on the stage. We handle the click event. We make the game mobile friendly with tap. Viewport setup and make the graphics sharp in Retina display. We also show the game overview when the game ends. We have programmed the core logic to make the game playable. In the next section, we will improve the gameplay experience.